Ayun guys, so I'm making this video kasi I am very 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 grateful to have received all these gifts, and hindi lang dahil physical ano siya thing or dahil syempre regalo, but um, parang reminder siya sa akin na ayun nga, sabi dun sa nabasa ko na letter sa loob na yun is I am loved. I think within the past few years, mula nung pumasok ako sa PNU, I never really thought na a person like me na parang nag-stop mag-aral and ito, um, hindi ko na masyado kasama yung mga usual kabatch ko. I think na parang feeling ko mag-isa lang palagi. But I was proven wrong, and gaya nga sinabi dito na ito, I am loved and someone really appreciates me. So, and within the past few months, I think since July, starting nung when I accepted a big responsibility, but I haven't really felt like myself. I felt na I was trapped in a bubble of doubt na I have to appease people whom I think doesn't really see me or who doesn't really appreciate or can't reciprocate what I give, or maybe we're just not in the same wavelength. And because of that, I think I have been chasing around people so that they could just see me, where in fact um, I am oblivious to the fact that some people are really here beside me, and I am just very very thankful to have these persons in my life. So ayun, I would like to say thank you muna kay Francis, dahil dito sa iyong Minions kiddie kiddie loot bag, para feel ko makakapag-aral na ako ng mabuti, kasi usually sa bag ko wala akong ballpen at wala rin akong papel kasi sa sobra pagmamadali pumasok araw-araw, parang di na ako nakapag replenish ng papel. So dahil dito makakapag notes na ako. Thank you ulit Francis. Ayun, ang cute-cute lang nung uh, Minions. So medyo sad lang kasi kapareho ko si Paula, though ito sana nag Hello Kitty na lang ako. Tapos thank you rin dito kay Thea for this gift. So di ko pa siya binubuksan actually, pero thank you so much for thinking of me during the holiday season. Then eto kay Ate Ali, thank you so much ate. So sa PNU involved talaga, thank you so much for being my wall. Don't stop the crying. Kumanta, hindi. Pero, thank you so much for um, everything, for always reassuring me of things. Kahit na minsan, or I think hindi siya minsan, kahit madalas na parang, um, parang mentally unavailable ako or emotionally unavailable, na parang zombie na ako everyday na daming nangyayari at hindi ko na kayo nare-replyan on time. Ito, hindi na ako masyadong nakapag-focus like sa basic human task na makapag-usap ng maayos. Pero thank you so much for always remembering me, and thank you so much for your kindness, for your warmth towards me. So thank you so much doon. Then ito rin, so may isa pa siyang gift, pero kahati ko si VPT na dito. So ibibigay ko lang pag nagkita kami sa 21. Then eto, thank you so much to these people, no, sa aking mga rich kids ng BE 32, BE 22, no. So even di na kami magkaklase ngayon kasi nga ito, dahil sa mga certain circumstance ay di pa rin kami nagkakalimutan. So from Faith, Lorraine, Kate, Jennifer, and Paula, thank you so much for this. So, share ko lang guys na I'm very proud of these girls na despite sa ipagpapahinga na lang nila tong bakasyon, talagang nag-abala pa sila to create something like this. Ayun, mga pictures naming lahat. So, I'm just, baka masira ako. Ayan. I'm just very thankful. Ayan, ayan, long hair pa ako dyan. So, medyo cute. Medyo lang cute. Then, ayan, ang sinumpang grupo na to. Charot. Ayan. Then, kunwari nag-selfie kami lahat sa mirror. My God, ang emo ko dito. Then, dito sa SSA period. Ang payat ko pa dito kasi di pa ako kumakain. Ayan. Ito. Yung ano. Tag ito. Ano nga yun? Yung kay Prof. Ursh. Ayan. SSA period ulit. Ayan. I'm a skinny person pa dito. Ayan. SSA period. Siguro SSA na talaga lahat kasi yun na yung huling kong punto sa section namin dati bago lumipat. Ito yung date namin sa Ocean Park, Tuluneta. Basta Manila date. Ayan. With these girls. Oh, diba? Serving cunt. Diba? Chill lang. Then here. Though parang suppose na to natapakan ko ating clay na ginagawa naming laro. Then eto, during tech fair. Tech fair nga to. Long hair pa ba ako nung tech fair? Di ko na maalala. Ayan. Das eto, very memorable day. Ayan. Then they really also compile the things I love. Yes, here. I like FAA Twigs. I like Fiona Apple. I like Lord. I love this person. I like the bell jar. Yes, very problematic tayo. Yan, I love Lana Del Rey. Yan, Lana Del Rey pa tong mga to. Oh my God, parang nag-check sila sa last FM ko. Yan. Joji. Yan, Abbott Elementary. Yan, this person, this special day. Yan, Lana, then my mother, Björk. Yan, yan. Then here, some weird pictures I have. Yan. Wow. Thank you. Ayan. Tapos, ayan, naglalaro kami ng Uno. ISEF. Oh my God. Sa NSTP, I look, Khalil Ramos coded dito. Not to humble brag. Charot. Tingnan to. This long hair era. What the hell? Yes. Attitude. Work it. Oh no, I'm still fat here. Yes. Very, horror, Ethel Cain vibes. Yes, SSA. And ito, ang picture na to. Kasi wala na ibang picture. Wow. See? Wow! So, may to? Okada. Tapos, eto, mga trip nito mga to. Yes. Put Lobato. Then, here, some of the letters I read na made me realize na I am very rich in life. Then, even if there are some people who don't see me, I just know that there are people who do and who sees me beyond what I am really showing the world. So I'm very thankful for that. And I'm very thankful for my other friends at hindi man tayo laging nakikita, but I know na ganito, I am very thankful to have you all in this lifetime. So, parang, paano ko ba sabihin? So, siguro, ganito, I just feel somehow guilty kasi most of my friends sa section namin dati, which is yung BE3 to I, di ko nakasama. And I think I left the section kasi just for peace of mind. Pero without some circumstance, I think things would have worked naman. And ito, I wouldn't really have left. And I still would have, be with all of you. But, ayun, certain things can't really be changed. So, gaya nga nung sinabi nyo sa letter ni Nicki Minaj dito sa loob na, ito, things get easier naman over time. So, and even if we are apart naman. So, I'm really thankful sa friendship natin na ito. So, from everyone that I've met throughout 2025, may meron akong memory jar dito sa bahay na nandun lahat nung mga gamit na nakuha ko. So, all of this, mapupunta to doon. Thank you ulit so much. I love you all. And yes, ito, humupa na yung luha ko for this. And I don't really care kung papanoorin mo to hanggang 11 minutes dulo. Pero I'm really, 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 really thankful to everyone. I just want to share the love I have inside of me right now. Ayun lama. Free feedback. Charot.